Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to install an Arduino library from GitHub. First, open your browser and type the Arduino library name plus GitHub. Select the link you want to download from and click on code, then download zip. It should be at zip format. Wait for some seconds and then go back to your Arduino IDE. After that, you should click on Sketch, then go to Include Library, then click on Add.zip library. Go to Downloads and select the downloaded library from GitHub. Click on it. After some seconds, the library will be installed successfully. And yeah, now you can use this library downloaded from GitHub. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.